Hi everyone, my name's Jim from FUJI Spray, and in today's FUJI Spotlight video, I'm going to be showing you how to measure viscosity and how that relates to dilution. Now, viscosity is the measurement of a fluid's resistance to flow. However, we normally reference the run-out time, which you find using a viscosity cup. To measure viscosity, first start by opening the material you plan to spray and stir it thoroughly. Stirring allows your material to blend. You need to stir it properly to avoid having pigment or solids at the bottom of your can when you take your measurement, as this will result in an inaccurate reading. After mixing, dunk your viscosity cup into the material. As you remove the cup from the material, start your stopwatch. Fully remove the cup and watch the stream of material drip from the bottom. With your run-out time in hand, reference the viscosity index chart that comes with your FUJI Spray system to see which air cap set works best for your material's viscosity. We find that materials become sprayable when they have a run-out time of less than 80 seconds through a No. 4 Ford viscosity cup. Finishes like undiluted latex paint can have a run-out time of 250 seconds or higher, which means they need to be diluted before they can be sprayed. Reference the side of the can or the technical data sheet to verify which solvent to use for dilution. When diluting your finish, it is best to do it in stages. We recommend starting at a dilution level of 10%. If after this you still have a run-out time of more than 80 seconds, increase your dilution by only 5% increments until it's in the sprayable range. If your material is under-diluted, you will see large, unatomized droplets on the outside of your spray pattern, which will dry and form an orange peel finish. If you over-dilute, you may see microbubbles or small craters in your finish. When spraying vertical substrates, over-dilution will increase your chances of runs and sags, and the sheen may look dull once dried. Record your viscosity run-out times, dilution levels, and air cap set choices to make future projects much easier to complete. If you have any questions, give FUJI Spray a call at 1-800-650-0930 or send us an email at info@fujispray.com. Thank you so much for tuning in.